Hey guys, this is the first episode of my new series, My Week on iRacing. In this series, I'll show you guys the best bits of my week on the sim. I started iRacing again with a new account. This season, I'm going to be focusing on Formula cars, and next season I'll be focusing on sports cars. Let's get into my first week then. I chose the Formula Fords as I wasn't a huge fan of the Formula Vs when I was racing on the platform last year. My first race went really well. I was still learning how to drive the cars, but I qualified 5th and finished 4th. My second race, however, did not go as well. A huge lap 1 incident took multiple cars out of the race, including me. I lost all the safety rating I gained in my first race, putting me back where I started. After doing lots of practice, I managed to get my first podium. This race had loads of battles and I was under pressure the whole time. I followed this race with 3 more podiums and enough safety rating to get to D license. Now I need to work on my I rating and safety rating, so I need to make sure I make overtakes while getting no incident points. I decided to continue with the Rookie Formula Ford series, finishing 4th in my first 2 races, with few incident points as well, which gave me over 100 I rating and loads of safety rating. I then won my first race. After making my way from P6 to P2, P1 spun off with a few laps to go, and after holding P2 for the remainder of the race, I crossed the finish line first. This strong result shot me up to 1.7k I rating. The race after this, someone pulled out in front of me after spinning, giving me too much damage to continue. I followed this disappointing result with another win, and followed this race with a P2 after not qualifying. After a few more strong results in the rookies, I bought Silverstone so I could complete my minimum participation requirement and fast track up to C license. I now had a respectable 2.3k I rating and was super excited to try out the Super Formula lights. After some practice, I tried the race. Barcelona has never been my best track, but I needed some race experience in these cars. I didn't have a setup either. After qualifying 21st in my first race, I made my way up to P14, and after another P21 qualifying in my second race, I managed to finish 11th. After the tracks changed, we were at Virginia International Raceway. I absolutely loved this track, and after buying a setup from Track Titan, I was ready to do my first race. This car track combo is super tricky because the track wasn't designed for Formula cars. It's a super fun combo, but a small mistake could be race ending. This race went way better than I expected, and after starting 4th, I finished in 3rd. During my last race of the week, I was racing against Willpower. Willpower is one of the best IndyCar drivers with the most pole positions. I didn't have the best qualifying and started P14. After making some great overtakes, I managed to make my way up to 6th. I earned loads of safety rating and I rating in this race, and fast tracked up to B license. I loved my first couple weeks on iRacing. The online racing is really competitive and I'm so excited for the next few tracks the Super Formula Lights will be racing at. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.